Hey guys, I've got a slightly different video for you today. I've heard I've got a very young fan to the channel. One of my wife's friends, Vic's son, Kit, apparently is a big fan of the YouTube channel and he's only 7 years old. So I've never met Kit before and he's going to come around to the house. He doesn't actually know he's coming here. We've never met each other before and I thought I'd take him out for a little ride in the Tesla. So it'll be his first experience seeing and being inside a Tesla.
We thought you'd love it. We thought if we could do a little surprise for you, and then you get to go and see the Tesla and see Marky Brown all in one go.
Oh my gosh. Are you so excited you can't stand still? You're all bouncy. Follow Marky Brown.
Full review.
Oh dear.
Okay Kit, I think it's time we get your Tesla driver's license. There's a little game we can play so you can get that. Just to see. Right, now what I'll do is I'll get in the side.
Kit, you're not going to drive it though, are you? Don't drive off, will you?
Right, and then what we're going to do, we're going to do your driving test first. So, there we go. It's quite hard, isn't it, to start with? Really hard, but there we go. Right. Oh no! So press that. The wheel spin.
Are we all getting in?
There's a lot of Teslas.
Yeah, there's another one there.
There is.
Yeah.
When we were walking down, we thought it was called Tesla Valley, didn't we, Kit?
So one of my favourite features in the car actually is autopilot. I'll turn it on now.
What?
Driving itself now as well.
Oh my god.
Doesn't always work that well in these little bits, but so it'll steer itself around this corner hopefully. Should stop for these other cars as well.
Yeah, man.
Go.
There we go.
Does
Whoa.
So when we do some long drives,
You don't even have to...
chill out.
Oh my god. What do you think though? Like, do you think this is the kind of car you're going to drive in the future?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Let's start saving for one.
Yep.
Yeah. You'll be a businessman by then, like Marky
Yeah.
Brown, won't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So another good thing about the Tesla is that you can choose any music you want. So who's your favourite artist?
I like David Bowie.
David Bowie.
Yeah, you love
So,
some David
what's
Bowie.
that? Type it in or you can just say.
Do you want to take...
Play David Bowie.
How many out of 10 do you reckon then, Kit?
10.
Good.
10 out of 10.
Now one of my favourite features, Kit, is when you come into the car and it's really cold, you can actually turn on all the heated seats. So I'll put all the heated seats on for us in the front and I'll put it all for everyone at the back as well. It's really good. Let me know if it starts getting hot for you. So the Tesla is really quick. I think when we come around this corner, we'll put the accelerator down really fast so you can see how fast it feels.
Oh, you ready? Whoa! Oh my god!
Speed camera is slow down.
That was mad! What on earth? Kit, what did you think of that?
That wasn't good. Make your stomach go a little bit.
Yep.
He loves it!
Go.
Whoa! Oh my
There
god!
we go.
That is nuts!
It's quite good if you need to be somewhere quick.
Yeah.
It makes your stomach go a bit, doesn't it?
Yeah.
What did you think, Kit?
I loved it.
Does it not make something go bleh? Watch out for the handcuffs. Phew! We're alright, we're alright.
Just to recommend,
Yeah.
if you would like a better view of the front seats when you're sitting in the back,
Yeah?
you should sit in the middle.
Yeah, that's
Oh.
true.
Yeah.
Definitely. Better angle.
See the whole car then, can't you?
He knows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, cameraman.
Yeah.
He's right though.
Yeah.
He's right, he knows. Don't you, Kit?
Yeah.
Kit, tell us your top 5 things about the Tesla.
I love the seat warming, the games, and the tablet.
About the speed, did you like that?
Oh yeah, I love the
Yeah.
speed.
It kind of makes your stomach go.
Yeah.
Accelerate quickly. We didn't go too fast though. We didn't break the rules, did we?
No rule breaking.
No.
What else do you like about it?
It was all amazing, so it's very hard to think.
Music?
Music.
That's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Play whatever songs you like. Got a bit of David Bowie on. Games, we did the games.
Yeah.
Which is hard, I think that game's really hard. It's hard
It
to
is.
keep in a straight line. And yeah, heated seats, heated steering wheel, done all of that. Did set of the driving, where the car drives itself.
Oh yeah, I like
Autopilot.
that.
That's good.
I like autopilot.
Yeah. I hope one day it's so good that I can just sleep and then wake up in a new place. So I have to drive at all then.
Yeah.
Good.
That was brilliant.
So Kit, are you going to get yourself a Tesla?
Probably.
Is it your favourite car?
Yeah.
Amazing. Should we do a shout out?
If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and like the video.
Take two.
If you like the video, make sure to subscribe and see you next time.
Yay. See you next time.